Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. As you might have seen my physics lab experiment where we went inside the lab to do some nice experiments. So now I'm back with the Newton Cradle. So it's not called the Newton Cradle cause it's made by him. It was made by someone else. But it was called the Newton Cradle cause it was based on his laws of physics. So here we have five balls of the same weight. Let's pull one and see what happens. Of course, it's the same result, but what happens if we pull two? Now two will come. If we pull three, then it will become like this. Four, then all of them will be moving. But what would happen if we pull all of them at the same time? Whoa, they're all swinging, 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 swinging. So now let's try to change the weight. Let's keep it small, so small. Let's keep it a little bigger than this, like 1 kg. This could be like around 1.5 kg, 1.7 kg, and let's keep this one 2 kg. Let's see what happens if I pull the small one up. It's just going to do this. But now what happens if I pull this one? See, it'll become like this. The small one has these ones are smaller than it, so everyone will be causing moving around and transfer of energy. It'll be now. Let's just now. What happens if we pull two? Oh, so much energy is transferred. What if I pull so many heavy ones? Now let's just pull four. Imagine what will happen to the small one. Now let's pull the light ones. Okay, now let's pull two of the light ones. It's going to become like this. Three of the light ones. And now four of the light ones. Now it's going to dance, dance, dance. So, the interesting thing is that you can keep changing. So, in the real life, it'll take quite some time to change all this. Change the type of weight and to take your chance and try it too. Keep it different weights. You can try small 1 kg 2 kg as much as you want. Now let's see the magic of pull. See the magic of pull. See the magic of pull. Pull. Now see the magic. See the magic. See the magic. See the magic. Look at them. They're having so much fun. All the while they're having so much fun. Now all of them together. Yay. Yeah, swing, swing, swing. Oh, swinging, swing. Now all together. You can also put some things. You can put some sound. You can stop them from running. You can make them run. You can stop showing the amount of energy. No friction. You can keep the keep changing. Whatever you like. So try now. Bye. Into the physics world we go.